We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Financial graphics demand clarity, precision, and trust. Gradient presets allow subtle shading to differentiate chart areas and guide attention naturally. Applying a preset ensures consistency in color transitions for viewers in the US, UK, and Canada, making the data visually professional. RGB values are carefully monitored to prevent misrepresentation and maintain brand alignment. Background gradients provide